Hey friends, hope you're doing well. Today I'd like to show you how you can use ChatGPT as a function in Excel. Yes, you heard me right. So let's get into that. So in order to do this, what I did was I wrote a small little VBA script which creates a function which we can then use in Excel. And I just want to show you the code, so just in case you want to try it out yourself, that's what it looks like. So it's basically a function which I named ChatGPT. And of course, you can name this whatever you like, but I thought this is actually quite a useful name here. And then what we do is we leverage the API from OpenAI, so which is this URL here, the chat completions. And then what we need in here is our API token. So if you have subscribed to ChatGPT, so then you can get a free API token. And if you do this, then you can insert this token here and use this in order to call the API itself. And then what we do is we send here our post request and we gave it a role, which is the user, which is ourselves. And we also add here the input text we want to send to ChatGPT. So basically our question. And this input text here is what we basically put inside our function here. And then we return the value and then we simply extract specifically the text which ChatGPT returns because it returns a lot of things and I just want to return the text itself. So now let me just remove this from the screen and let me insert my API token. So I'm sorry, but I can't share this with you, but of course you can create your own one if you want. So let me just save this for now. Let me just then close it. And now let's actually use the function here. So let's ask it a question. For instance, what is Microsoft Excel, right? That's my question. And now I can run my function, something like equals, and then I call ChatGPT. Here it is, that's the function. And then just need to reference my text or my question in this case. And I have a small question, which is this one here. So I can reference the cell, then I can close parenthesis. And now if I press enter, then this query is run against the API. And here we go. So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft Corporation, and so on and so on. And you clearly can see that the text is a little bit longer, but it gives us a precise answer what ChatGPT, well, thinks about Microsoft Excel. So as I said, you can try this out yourself if you want. Otherwise, if you have not subscribed so far, then do that to be aware of the next video and support the channel. Thanks a lot for that. Take care and see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.